Hello everybody, and today we'll be unboxing the giant green head. Sorry that by the rainbow light, by the way. It's just because I'm charging my phone while recording this video. So let's get to it. They might need my scissors. Yep. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm getting my scissors. I'm back. My dog got in my way, so I feel like opening the figure first. And let's see who we got. And looks like we got yellow. So we got yellow today. Ooh, his head actually moves. The propeller moves. His arms move just like Blue's, but better articulation. His feet move. So that was it. Now we got the giant plushie. I can't wait to see who I got, because I've been wanting cyan for a while. So I hope I got cyan. Let me know if you have this in the comments. I want to hear those comments. And you should suggest what I should do for the next unboxing. If I read your comments. So I think I got cyan. Oh wait, there's more than these. Alright, that's that. We have the cyan plushie. It's just the regular old plushie. Now we got one of the minifigs. Can't wait to open this up. Oh, but I got one with his food pack from chapter 1. I remember playing chapter 1. It was so much fun. I did it once. I always get left as the last person. And we have Blue, the character I made a cosplay of in Roblox. And here's my skin. So, that's all. Bye.